South Dakota's Department of Labor is handling 17 times the number of unemployment claims it did before the pandemic, up from 3,000 to 52,000.
It's taken a lot longer, up to 2 months for the department to process those claims, especially when there are unique circumstances that must be verified.
That left a Sioux Falls man waiting more than 8 weeks to collect unemployment when he stayed home following Governor Noem's executive order. Chad Klingsing works for a small construction company that builds decks, sunrooms, and replaces siding, windows, and doors. It's not always an easy job with his severe asthma, which requires daily medication.
I've gotten used to breathing the way I breathe, but it's just not normal. He said, it's your supply. He said, somebody at my age, their breathing level should be like at a 75 or whatever, and mine is about a 40.
Klingsing never considered not working despite his condition until Governor Noem's executive order on April 6th for Minnehaha and Lincoln counties.
The chronic medical conditions that will be impacted by this executive order include chronic lung disease and persons with moderate to severe asthma. This executive order will direct them to stay home for the next 3 weeks.
Because I was working up till that point, and that's when it really kicked in when she said, try to stay home, isolate, be careful, be safe. That's when I started doing it.
Noem extended the order on April 24th for 2 more weeks, and Klingsing filed for unemployment. Then the waiting game began.
They just kept saying undecided, undecided, undecided.
Klingsing called the Department of Labor once a week.
The people that we had talked to said they could not, they said it was there on their screen, they saw it, but they had to wait for somebody above them to decide.
Eventually, Klingsing contacted both the governor's office and his local state representative, who got this answer from unemployment, saying the fact that Klingsing quit his construction job with a doctor's note had complicated processing his claim. It
was tough. The stimulus check, of course, helped for a little bit, but my wife works hard, but she doesn't make a lot of money.
So Klingsing went back to his construction job a month ago.
I just wanted an answer. I didn't necessarily rely on the money, and I don't think I'm going to get the money. I really don't at this point in time. But I just really wanted an answer.
And just today, following our interview and after we contacted the Department of Labor to ask about cases like Klingsing's, he got his unemployment check, including back pay for the time he wasn't working. The South Dakota Department of Labor tells KELOLAND News that if an individual is advised by a health care provider to self-quarantine due to concerns related to COVID-19, they may be eligible for Pandemic Unemployment Assistance, PUA, and that each claim is unique and determined on a case-by-case basis. We've put a link to examples of the kinds of cases that are covered by PUA on this story on KELOLAND.com.